Oh, you gonna take a picture and put it on Facebook now?
Yeah.
Who the hell want to see your face in the book?
What's up, buddy? What's up?
I'm gonna go home and play with himself. Watch this. I don't even record me.
This ain't bad yet.
Weatherman right here, podcast. Hey, look at me when I'm talking. Broadcasting Channel 7 out here in Lynn, Massachusetts. We having a heavy snow. It's gonna be like this all night. So my selection is you send us home, so we all can go home and get warmed up, cuddle up with our wife, feel bad for once. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you, sir.
My nigga.
Yes, the driver.
Yep, that's the
yeah,
driver.
I'm busy driving, so I guess.
Yep, can't broadcast him. Can't interview him right now.
Snow is ridiculous.
And,
Send it to Bill.
Yeah, and it's no joke. There's so many snow we can't even see the road.